Look like they got a runner here. Got one down there and 3 here. I think somebody jumped and run out that blue car. I'm not sure. I can bring this thing in tighter. Oh, okay, yeah. I never filmed before. I know if you make this thing. Here come another cop problem. Yeah. Book 'em, Dano. I hear 'em hollering. Somebody crying. I hear him crying. He's saying, please, Mr. Police, please, please, no, Mr. Police. Oh, here comes Dano coming up the hill. He's running. Go get him, Dano. Book him, Dano. Good gracious, I hear him crying and hollering and everything else down there. Please, Mr. Police, please don't get me, Mr. Police. I didn't do it. I swear I didn't do it. Joe Biden did it. He crying. Hear that? Oh my Lord, he's crying. Please, Mr. Police, don't take me to jail. I think he just said that. I swear I think he said, don't take me to jail, Mr. Police. Lord, here come another Dano. Book him, Dano. Good Lord, we got a whole thing coming on. Oh Lord, here it comes. He crying like a bad boy, bad boy. What you gonna do? What you gonna do when they come for you? Bad boy, bad boy. What you gonna do? What you gonna do